Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to insert an image into a cell. So as example, I will create cell in here, and if you want to insert image, you can go to insert, click picture, and then choose this device. As example, I will use this image, click insert. Now you can resize the image like this. The next you can right click, go to size and properties. After it, you can go to properties and then click on move and size with cells. So if you resize the column, it will be automatically fit into the column like this. You also can choose the width, and this is for the column. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to insert an image into cells. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.